Test drive the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, rear fog light, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.